Let's install Java JDK 22.
Just search for Oracle Java. Click this one. Java Software Oracle. Click Download Java. You see Java 22 is available. Scroll down. Select Windows. You see Java JDK 22. Click this one. Directly the installation started. Okay. Now after installation, open this one. That's my installer. JDK 22 installer. Right click. Run as administrator. Yes. Next. You can change the location. I let it as it is. Next. Click next steps to access tutorial API. No, just close. Now we have to set the path. So go to this Windows C, program files, click Java, JDK 22, bin, click bin. Then select this path, Control C. Come to start, search for environment variables. This one. Environment variables. Open. Environment variables. From here, find path. This one. Double click on it. New. Just paste the path. OK. 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 Let us verify whether we installed Java correctly or not. Open CMD. Right click. Run as administrator. Yes. Write Java space -- version. Enter. Yes. That's all. If you found this video helpful, as respect to our effort, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.